Durable hand weight. Durable cast iron hand weight dumbbells are ideal for light weightlifting and muscle toning. Non-slip grip. Neoprene shell provides a comfortable non-slip grip. Neoprene covering prevents damage to floors and protects weights from cracking and chipping. Hexagonal shape keeps weight from rolling and stays in place when not in use. Sold as singles. Dumbbells are sold individually as singles. These durable cast iron hand weights feature a neoprene shell that provides a comfortable non-slip grip. The hexagonal shape keeps the weight from rolling while not in use and helps to prevent damage to floors. Ideal for beginners to advanced in a home gym or studio for muscle toning and weight training, cardio and aerobic workouts, physical therapy and rehabilitation, and much more. Sold as singles in 3 pounds, 5, 8, 10, 12, 15 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Practicing for lifeguard brick test. Many customers are shocked that it's a single weight, and some even ask who would buy a single weight on purpose. Well, I did, and I love it. The very tiny holes in the coating appear to be a manufacturing necessity. Just think about why. I'll let you figure it out. I am not talking about the photo of the green one, which was clearly defective. Anyway, this thing is perfect for practicing for the lifeguard brick test, and it's much cheaper than a diving brick, some of which are close to $80. So that's why you might buy just one. Smiley face.